Hey, my sweethearts, good morning. Here is the teacher Natty, and today we have our phonics class. So we're going to make your homeworks together, okay? Today is Thursday, 14th of April, 2020, okay? And let's come with me to review. Look at here, the short and long vowel sound. I know that you know it, yo sé que ustedes saben, but we have to review, okay? So we have A, E, I, O, A, E, I, O, U, A, E, I, O, A, E, I, O, U, ok. Cambiamos nuestra canción. Vamos a cantarla como era. A, E, I, O, U, A, E, I, O. Ok, remember the sounds. Nosotros necesitamos recordar los sonidos para poder leer. Get it? Ok, mis corazones. So, the short vowel sounds, they make their sounds. Ellos dicen su sonido. They are always happy. Ellos siempre están felices. And the word make the sound. So we read apple. Egg. Igloo. Octopus. Umbrella. Very good. The long vowel sound, they are always angry. Ellos siempre están enojados because they have to share the word. Ellos tienen que compartir la palabra con otra vocal. So we read with the name, ¿ok? Acá las vocales dicen su nombre. So, ape, ape, eat, eyes, oatmeal, unicorn. Ok, aquí como están enojadas, ellas siempre van a decir su nombre porque están muy enojadas y las otras están como... They are always scared. Las otras se quedan asustaditas, entonces se quedan en silencio. They stay in silence. Look at here. This is our homework for today. Ok, esta es nuestra tarea para el día de hoy. You are going to read, ok, first, mark the vowels. Mark the vowels. Which vowel is happy, which vowel is angry, and which vowel stay in silence, okay? And try to read. Don't forget to make the sounds. Please read the sounds. Read with the sounds. Okay, sweethearts, this is your homework for today. You have to record a voice, make a voice recorder and send it to me. Tienen que grabarse su voz, ¿ok? Y enviármelo a mí. Get it? I love you a lot. Bye bye, sweethearts. Have a nice day.